Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Friday, March 4th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had some positive trade, and it looks like, kind of a sigh of relief from a lot of people that finally you get these markets moving. You've had them on key support lines for a couple days now, but they haven't been able to do anything with it. It looks like in the morning they rally a little bit, but they're met with selling pressure by the end of the day. And today, you finally got it to bounce off those levels and stick it, led by corn or led by soybeans. And I think maybe they're even bidding for some acres coming into March 31st crop report that's going to give planting intentions. The talk is that you're going to see an increase of quite a bit of corn acres, and so if you have that situation kind of change and you bid up those bean acres, you could see that relationship change just a little bit. Like I said, beans up 13 to 14 on the day, so they definitely led the way higher. Corn was up about 2 cents, and then wheat was up anywhere from 3 to 4 cents, struggling at some points but coming back. So you had a little bit of mixed close. It would have been nicer to see corn and wheat up a little bit in relation to beans, but you had that change there. Same situation you had into the meat markets with a little bit higher, with live cattle up just shy of $1, feeders up the same, lean hogs mixed up to 85 cents actually, and then those outside markets, the dollar was lower once again, down 35 cents, and I think maybe that even led some support too to the commodities. It was down big yesterday and faded today, and so when you have that weaker dollar, it's coming off those recent highs. That is going to be supportive towards commodities in general, with crude market actually rallying hard, getting up into the $35 range, and then the Dow actually was up about 20 to 40 points majority of the day. And so, not a whole lot going on. Like you said, you saw buying. This is just another reminder that we are in range trade. You found the bottom end of the range in beans for the time being. You are coming into a seasonal time frame that is not friendly in beans, just a note, but it looks like it wants to. You're not that far from the top end of the range after closing up 13 to 14 cents. Your range is about 20 to 25 cents, so you're greater than halfway there. Looks like you're going to come against resistance at 888 on that May bean contract, so that's something to note there. Other than that, news was very limited. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.